So imagine a business that sells products or offers services. Before those products reach customers, they first have to be created, organized, and managed properly. This is where production and operations management comes in. Production refers to the process of creating goods and services that businesses offer to customers. These products are what companies sell in order to satisfy people's needs and wants. Production usually involves turning raw materials into useful products through a series of steps. In production, different inputs are needed. These include raw materials, land, labor, or workers, money, time, and management. These inputs go through different processes before they become a finished product. There are several stages in production, such as assembly, finishing, and inspection. Assembly is when different parts are put together to create a final product. For example, when making a radio, parts like wires, circuits, transformers, diodes, and casing are assembled together. Finishing is the stage where the product's appearance and quality are improved. This may include painting, polishing, trimming, cleaning, or varnishing. For example, a car may be painted with several coats of paint during finishing. Inspection is the process of checking the product to make sure it meets the required standards. This can be done using human senses or with equipment such as weighing scales, testers, or gauges. Now, production is closely connected to operations management. Operations management focuses on managing the systems and processes that create goods or provide services. In the, it involves planning, implementing, and controlling production activities to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Operations management also brings together what is called the six M's: men, money, machines, materials, methods, and markets. These elements work together to produce goods or services that meet the needs of customers. Production of operations management is very important because without it, producing goods or services, a business cannot exist. It also represents a large part of the costs in a business, so it must be carefully managed to maintain efficiency. Products produced by businesses can be classified as goods or services. Goods are tangible, which means they are physically products that people can touch, see, or handle. Goods are usually produced first and consumed later, and they can also be stored in warehouses. Example of goods include soft drinks, cell phones, ball pens, refrigerators, and cars. On the other hand, services are intangible, meaning they cannot be physically touched. Services are usually produced and consumed at the same time, and they often involve direct interaction between the customer and the service provider. Example of services includes haircuts, massages, teaching, dental services, computer rentals, and car repairs. Operations management also focuses on 10 critical areas that help businesses operate effectively. These include services and product design, quality management, process and capacity design, location, layout design, human resources and job design, supply chain management, inventory management, scheduling, and maintenance. All of these areas help businesses organize their operations, maintain quality, manage resources, and ensure that production runs efficiently. In simple terms, production and operations management is responsible for creating products and services while making sure everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and with good quality.